We introduce our paper, OHTA, One-Shot Hand Avatar via data-driven implicit priors. Previous methods require extensive sequential or multi-view images to create a high-fidelity animatable hand avatar, posing a considerable challenge for general users. To expand personalized hand avatar creation to diverse situations, we propose OHTA, capable of one-shot high-fidelity hand avatar creations. OHTA addresses many downstream tasks, including 1. Hand avatar creation using text prompts, 2. Editing hand geometry and appearance, and 3. Appearance interpolation and sampling in identity latent space. Our motivation arises from leveraging priors to complement unobserved information due to inherent similarities shared by diverse human hands. To achieve this, we divide our framework into 2 stages, 1. Hand prior knowledge learning, and 2. One-shot reconstruction with prior knowledge aid. In the first stage, we use the hand prior network, HPNet, to capture prior knowledge from accessible data with multiple identities. In the second stage, we employ HPNet to inverse a similar hand and optimize it to the target identity with prior knowledge for regularization, based on the given image. We embed prior knowledge into a neural implicit volume, dividing prior learning into geometry, albedo, and shadow components. 2 key challenges for learning the prior for one-shot reconstruction are how to extract transferable and high-quality prior knowledge. For prior transferring, we design HPNet in a mesh-guided manner, enabling transfer of learned prior knowledge to novel identities. Geometry and texture priors learning of HPNet are guided by mesh information, achieving robustness towards novel poses and identities. We uniformly sample points on the input mesh and attach them with a learnable point encoding. For query points, we conduct spatial interpolation to acquire the queried encoding. To enable the network to exploit high-fidelity texture prior, we design a multi-resolution field upon the mesh scaffold. Different resolutions sample different numbers of points on the input mesh to obtain learnable point encodings. For query points, we fuse the queried encoding from different learnable point encodings to regress the final texture values. Multi-resolution can model more details of hands and make the learned overall appearance more consistent with the ground truth. Hand shadow modeling is important for realistic hand avatar animation, often causing self-occlusion effects. For one-shot reconstruction, learning a transferable shadow prior is significant. Our approach aims to model a more universal shadow prior shared by different identities, grounded in the observation that shadows from self-occlusion are largely consistent across different hands when performing identical poses. Our self-occlusion modeling with an identity-shared shadow field can contribute to more realistic one-shot hand avatar animations, as shown in the image and videos below. We conduct extensive comparisons with recent related approaches for one-shot hand avatar creations. On both Interhand 2.6M and Hanko datasets, our results are significantly better than previous hand avatar creation approaches. We can also obtain better novel view synthesis performance. We further compare OHTA with the previous explicit one-shot approach handy to show our model can obtain more photorealistic results. We quantitatively and qualitatively demonstrate the robustness of OHTA. OHTA can achieve consistent PSNR and LPIPs on Interhand 2.6M. Moreover, for a variety of in-the-wild inputs, OHTA can consistently perform well, as shown in the figures. OHTA supports diverse downstream tasks. For example, OHTA enables text-to-avatar by employing the single image generated from ControlNet for one-shot reconstruction. OHTA also supports hand editing, including texture editing and shape editing. Here are some video results. For more details, please check out our project page. Thank you for watching.